For this example, I'm going to work on a piece of calico. Calico is a favorite with quilters. If you look at a tie-dye and see a straight line running across it, then it was made by a straight fold. A straight fold is the basis of all geometric patterns. Evenly spaced fan folds are the basis for all geometric patterns. Don't panic when you get to the end of the fabric. Just pretend it's all one continuous thing. This technique will produce evenly spaced stripes running down the length of the fabric. If this is going to give us straight lines, parallel lines, then it's quite logical to think that by folding the fabric in the other direction, we can create checks. Once all the folds are in place, you can get a couple of rubber bands to tie up the bundle. You want the elastic band to go across the center of the shape in this direction, and then you do the same thing in the other direction.